Today in Garden Tour Saturday, my very first sunflower bloomed for the season. As you can see, a lot more blooms are coming. So we'll have a lot more updates in the future. But doesn't it look beautiful? The garden is getting so full of so many beautiful flowers. This one hasn't started blooming yet, but you can see it's getting pretty big also. But not as big as this one, as you can tell. Every day I come out here, there's something new blooming, something getting larger, something looking beautiful. These came back from last year. My carrots are going actually crazy. Look at how many carrot flowers I have. And this isn't counting all the carrots in the ground. And this is not counting where I have so many of them. And this my son got me a year or so back for my birthday. Isn't it beautiful in the garden? Even the onions are looking beautiful. Look at the beautiful flowers they are producing also. And these were just some cuttings originally from the grocery store. And now they're blooming out now in my garden. I can't wait to see what next year's crop of onions are going to look like. Well, this is one of my favorite little flowers. I got some of these last year from the seed packet, and I'm glad to see I got some more this year. They're beautiful, delicate, and gorgeous. I love them. I don't know if I'll find any more like this, but these are some of my favorites. Those Dollar Tree seed packets you see every year, yes, they're worth the money. Every year I get something I've never seen here in the nurseries. Things that come up in my garden, and hopefully they'll reseed themselves for next year. Well, sit down and watch a slideshow of what's blooming in Grandma's garden.